We're going to be talking about division with decimals today. When you start a division problem and there is a decimal outside the house, you need to move it in order to begin it. If you move it over one time outside the house, you're going to move it just over one time inside the house. You can then bring the decimal straight up on top of the house. Now you can begin the problem. I know 92 goes into 7 0 times. I know 92 goes into 76 0 times, and 92 goes into 769 8 times. 8 times 2 is going to be 16, carry the 1. 8 times 9 is going to be 72, plus 1 is 73. You're going to subtract like normal. 9 minus 6 is 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, 7 minus 7 is 0. You then can bring down another 0 that you can add on that doesn't change the answer. So 92 goes into 330 how many times? I know it goes in 3 times. 3 times 2 is going to be 6. 3 times 9 is going to be 27. Go ahead and subtract. Borrow from the 3, make it a 2. 10 minus 6 is going to be 4. You're going to borrow from the 3, make it a 2. 12 minus 7 is going to be 5. You could continue to bring down zeros in order to solve this problem until it has no remaining numbers. Or again, you can stop once you've gotten to the hundredths position, which is 2 places to the right of the decimal. When there is no decimal outside of the house, you don't need to move the one inside the house. You can bring it straight up on top of the house. Now you can begin to divide. 21 goes into 7 0 times, but 21 does go into 71 3 times. Put the 3 on top. 3 times 21, I can do 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. I can go ahead and subtract now. Borrow from the 7, make it a 6. This is 11, take away 3, which is going to be 8. Go ahead and bring down the next 8. And now you think, how many times does 21 go into 88? I know it's going to go in 4 times. The 4 goes right above the 8. 4 times 1 is going to be 4, and 4 times 2 is going to be 8. Subtract like normal. You get 4. You're going to bring down the 2. Now you have 42. You need to ask yourself, how many times does 21 go into 42? And I know that that's 2 times. 2 times 1 is going to be 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, and this is 0. This answer is now going to be 34 and 2/10.